Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Break. Today is a special day because joining us on the show for the very first time is the one, the only, the legend, Naz.
Oh my God, legend.
Literally,
I'm so excited.
Your name is Naz, like N-A-Z. Like, first off, anyone with a short name and a Z in it, like, you have to be cool.
It's kind of like Oprah, it's just Naz, you know?
I love that you're just like Oprah.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, so Naz has to be on this episode because you are like a beauty queen. I've never seen you roll up to work looking gnarly.
I just feel like you have to care about your appearance. You know what I mean?
I feel like it does more for the inside than the outside.
100%.
You know
if you
what
look
I
good, you feel
mean?
good, you feel good, you do well. You know what I'm saying?
What? Is that on a t-shirt? What is that?
I feel like it's definitely a quote online.
I have that tattooed on my back.
What? Get in here.
Yeah.
Our producer, Bridget, has that inspirational quote I thought you made up tattooed on her own back. Oh my gosh.
Feel good, be good, do good.
You never know on this show where things are truly going to go. And today when I woke up, was I like, am I going to get to hang out with Naz and see one of my longtime coworkers back tattooed? No, I didn't think, but you know what? God continues to surprise me and I'm very excited. So I have to let you know what we're doing.
What are we doing today?
We're trying out this super trendy, it's like, not metallic, what's that other word?
Magnetic?
Magnetic. Yep. Magnetic eyelashes that attach to your eyeliner.
Yes.
Let's get started. So as I mentioned, you are like probably the closest thing to a beauty guru that we have at Clevver, which I mean is saying, actually it's not saying a lot. Most of us just suck. You've actually taught me something. I remember one time you were like, you're not supposed to put highlighter all the way down the middle of your face. And I was like, oh, that's actually a good idea.
No, it'll make your nose look wider.
Ugh, see, why would I have known that? I don't know. All right, so Naz, here is the box. Here is the product.
I'm so excited because do you know how much this box costs?
How much?
It's like $90.
Shut up!
I know. This is an expensive box, so I feel really rich right now.
I should also let you know, I literally hate wearing fake eyelashes.
Why do you hate wearing fake eyelashes?
Because my eyes are already so small, they're barely open, and then I put on fake eyelashes and then they were like, oh, even more closed and more small, and I just can't handle it.
The thing is, if you get the right lash, like the right fake eyelash, it'll open your eyes more.
What do you have
so
going on
I have
right now?
eyelash extensions, you guys.
Oh, I see.
And then what I did was a lot of them fell out, and
So you
I knew
add
we were shooting
individuals?
today, so I added individuals. And I like to do it because I feel like I'm always so tired. We're always so tired.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's just like, it's like coffee for your eyes, you know?
I like coffee. We know that's true.
Okay, let's see. So there's flashy lashes.
Ooh, flashy lashy.
There's sassy lashes.
Okay.
And then there's a liquid magnetic eyeliner. So which one should we do
Oh,
first?
okay, so I think we're each gonna do a pair. I'm pretty sure.
Are you sassy or are you flashy?
You tell me. What do you feel like I am?
I don't. Close
I
your
don't
eyes and pick
feel like
one. I
I'm
feel like
either
that's very
one.
you.
I am flashy.
And I am sassy.
I've never had anyone say I was flashy. Well, no, I don't think so. Now that we're rich on this show, we have two mirrors.
Oh, we
so
do.
you have your own mirror and I have my own
Oh,
mirror.
okay, great.
These
Okay.
up close mirrors.
They're so terrifying. They're
don't-
actually scary to have.
I don't think these should have been invented.
I can literally sit forever in front of them
See
and
my
just,
tonsils.
Oh my God.
I can see China, I think. Ah! All right, so what do
Not
we do?
cute.
So, okay, it comes with these little directions, and the girl looks so happy and beautiful.
She's so pretty.
The bottom part, she blows a kiss.
Okay. Can I do it on you first?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
let's do the
we're going to
flashy
do it to
lashes.
each other?
Okay, amazing. Okay, let's show everyone what the flashy lashes
Okay,
look
these
like.
are the flashy. And then these are the sassy. Ooh, flashy and sassy. Okay, so the
Okay, so
first
how do we
thing
do
you
this?
do is line the eyes.
This, like, everyone should come with like a makeup and hair artist in life, you know?
Well, I mean, we do have Brian Mendez.
We do.
I wish that he was here.
I know, he came over this morning and did my makeup.
Of course
Thanks,
he
Brian.
did.
Do we really have to read the instructions? I feel like you just put it on the lash and then you put it
As
on,
much
right?
as I love your shirt, let's not even read the instructions. I love your style already because
I mean,
who reads instructions?
it's just like IKEA. It's the pictures.
You're
so
done.
line the eyes, let it dry, then apply lashes, repeat on the other side. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Does it smell good?
Oh, it smells kind of weird.
Well, it is magnetic eyeliner. That can't be normal.
How is that even possible?
Science.
Okay, close your eye. I'm gonna do this side first. All right. So I'm just gonna, line the top of your lash. Hold on, I gotta get a little more.
Why are you good at this?
I'm not.
No, you're already like, I can feel that it's on the right part of the eye.
Hold on. So we got it on. And then do we just put the lash on? Is that it?
We have to let it dry first.
Let it dry, then apply lashes. How long do you think we have to let it dry for?
Like 2 or 3 hours, most likely. Here, I'm gonna do my other one really quick too, so that we can just do both of them at the same time.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, this is actually not hard to use, and I'm not good at this kind
When's
of
the last
stuff.
time you had fake eyelashes on?
Maybe a couple of years ago, or maybe last year sometime. Oh, you know what? When we dressed as drag queens. Oh my gosh! All right,
ready?
so here we go.
Okay, so I'm just gonna lay it on.
Is it attaching?
Top of the glue. Oh my God, it's attaching so easily.
It
Let me
feels like
see.
it's like it definitely.
Does it feel
it's
uncomfortable?
weird. Like,
Does it feel heavy? You look good.
I mean,
You don't like
it's
it?
weird that it's like I'm trying to figure out if it's attached well.
Maybe it's too long.
Because I have small, tiny little eyes.
No, you have perfect eyes.
It's kind of sticking.
It's insane that it's like magnetic because I feel like if you use real glue, it gets so messy when you don't get the strip on the first time the right way. But with this, you can kind of take it off and on, and like put it in the right spot.
Here,
which
do you
is
want to
very
try the other
clutch.
one?
Yeah. Here, close your eye. Okay, open. Oh, close it. I think we need to put a little more glue right there. Open.
This one feels better.
It looks good.
Okay, this one looks good. Actually, this
Okay,
one looks
let's
really
fix
good.
the other one. Here, so let's put more glue on.
Or more eyeliner.
If I get it in your eye, will you kill me?
Murder you.
See, the issue I'm having with this is that it is black and it doesn't go away like the glue. So it's like, do you like that one?
Well, here's the crazy thing. It works.
That's insane.
And it's not glue, which is like normally so messy.
So I wonder if it'll last all day. Let me see. That looks unreal, especially if you're not good at putting like strips on.
And it's
you
not
know?
as uncomfortable to me as the glue is. The glue makes me want to pull out my own eyelashes, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's time for you to get sassy.
Let's do it. And actually, glue is really bad for your real lashes because when you try and take it off with like a makeup wipe at night, that's like when you're ruining and taking out your real lashes. It's like
Really?
trying to get the glue out.
Oh,
so this is actually
no.
revolutionary. So I'm putting this on and it really feels like any other liquid eyeliner. It doesn't feel sticky, right?
No, it does not feel like glue at all.
Okay,
Although
let me
glue
try it.
companies out there watching, you should take note that this is how you should like maybe think about making glue as more of a like wand.
Glue's the worst part. Like, who wants to do this every day?
You have to like let it dry.
Right.
Ugh.
If this works, I'm gonna start being a drag queen.
You're really good at that.
But I already have lashes on.
You're just gonna be even more like Shazam.
Oh my God, Shazam!
Okay,
Do you like it? Do I look like Cher?
You do. I could barely tell the difference between you and Queen Cher.
Do you believe in magnetic
At the
lashes?
I think they look really good.
Here's the thing, I feel like it's falling off. Do you feel like that?
Yeah, but that's like always the case with me. Okay, so here's something crazy that I didn't even notice. I'm gonna show on yours. See here at the base of the lash, those tiny little squares or like rectangles, those are all magnets. How do you get the magnets in the eyeliner?
And what's in this that makes it
Are they crushed
magnetic?
up?
That's crazy.
So weird. Okay, so the ingredients are beeswax, micro crystal wax, some other stuff, some powder.
Or should I put a josser here?
I mean, I'm definitely the wrong person to
Here.
ask.
How do they feel on you? Do they feel heavy?
They feel better than normally they do.
Does that look good?
I think it looks good.
Would you date me?
Yeah, I would marry you.
Oh my God, guys, I think that looks great.
I actually think it looks great.
Right? Let's do the other side.
Okay. Oh,
I trust you now. You, out of anyone I know, have tried so many beauty
I have.
products.
I've tried everything.
Like, you are the expert.
oh no, but I'm not good at it. Oh gosh, Naz. It's on the bottom a little too.
Is it?
Take a look. So maybe, I wonder if you could try these on your bottom lashes.
Oh my God. Should we try it on the bottom?
I don't know. Here, you try this on, put it on.
Wait, put it on me.
Okay,
Guys, I think I'm really into this. Good?
there's like one rogue lash. But actually, these look really good. Are they uncomfortable to you or
No,
comfortable?
these are not uncomfortable. I'm obsessed with them. I think they're worth all the money because
You
if
can
do,
reuse them.
Exactly. And when you go to like CVS or whatever drugstore and you're buying all these eyelashes, that adds up. And
It
you
does.
throw them all out and they're hard to put on.
I wonder how many times they recommend you can reuse these eyelashes, because at the bottom it says be sure to clean the magnets on the lashes and on the brush after every use, because I bet the magnets get worn out after a while.
So
You know, if
how-
there's too much stuff caked on.
How long do we think these last?
I don't know, we'll have to reach out, but they are on Instagram and their handle is at Moxie Lash. I think this is actually a cool idea.
So did they convert you? What do you think? Would you wear these?
I don't like eyelashes.
No?
No. I mean, but if I had to, I would definitely wear these. I just like feel like enclosed. It's like wearing like some sort of strange bra that's like binding your boobs in too much. You know, it's like, ugh.
Like you feel like your eyes are trapped?
What do you think? Would you wear these again?
I think the eyes are the gateway into the soul. And I think
Ooh.
your eyelashes open your eyes. Yeah, hell yeah, I'd wear these again.
Would you? Hi. What do you think, Joe? We got a thumbs up, a very unenthusiastic thumbs up, but whatever, I'll take what I can get. Okay, so final review of Moxie Lash. Would you buy it or would you not buy it?
I'm gonna get this back tattooed on my back.
You are?
Yeah,
oh my
I'm
gosh.
not obsessed with that. Just 2 lashes, you know, on my back.
That would actually be kind of cute.
Yeah, I think that'd be cool.
You guys, let us know also, did you like us trying out just one thing? I think this is one of the first times we've ever done this, but I think it's kind of fun to try out the stuff that's trending on Instagram because most of the time I look at it and I'm like, this is stupid.
Yeah, like, is it cool or is it not?
And sometimes it is cool. Like, remember Sugar Bear hair gummies?
Yeah,
I was like,
you
this
and
is-
Lily love those.
because they actually freaking work. Anywho, Naz, thank you for being on this journey with me.
Thanks for having me, guys. I love this. I think you should definitely try it out because I'm like not really good at makeup, and I feel like if you're not good at it, it's like an easy fix and it's really quick. So if you have to get out the door, it'll get you out the door quicker.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye!
I hope you enjoyed that episode of Beauty Break. I hope we did more in it than put on no makeup, which is what's happening right now. Did you miss this episode though? Because you should click it if you haven't seen it. I'm gonna get them on my eye.
You guys also were great beauty gurus, so be sure to
So
subscribe.
much so that you should click that subscribe button. It's somewhere here. What are you doing?
Makeup.